look at this. A national flag is lying on the ground and nobody's bothered.
Why are you so worried about this piece of paper having a tricolor and a chakra?
Please do not say it. That is just a piece of paper. It is a national flag and dignity of a nation. It is in our constitution to respect our national flag and national anthem.
Why are you writing your names on the wall of a monument?
I'm writing my name so that people can see my name and be famous.
That's not correct. People never think about you. They will think what kind of person might spoil the beauty of this monument. Many foreigners visit us to look at the monument. What will they think about us?
But I'm free to do what I want.
But you should know that it is our duty to safeguard public property like these, like our schools, banks, post offices, rivers and lakes. It is also our duty to conserve and preserve our rich heritage like these monuments.
Okay, sorry. I'll never do this again.
Attention. It is not that we should only protect our monuments. We should protect our school property too. We shall learn not to write on the walls of the school. Isn't it our duty to protect our alma mater?
Yes, it is our duty. Future pride, do your duties, know your rights. Future pride, do your duties, know your rights.
खिलौना ले लो, खिलौना ले लो, खिलौना ले लो, खिलौना ले लो. Why dear friend, why are you selling these toys? I see you every day selling these toys. When I go to school, you are here selling these toys. When I go to home too, you are still here selling these toys. Don't you go to school? No, I don't go to school, but I wish to go to school like you do. I want to study too. My dear friend, right to education is one of our fundamental duties. You have to go to school and study well. Okay, but my parents do not have enough money to send me to school. Do not worry, our country provides free education through government schools until age of 14. It is our duty to look into every child's education and not involve any children to work for us. Okay, I'll send my child to school every day and not send her to work. Yay! I'll go to school.
Future pride, do your duties, know your rights. Future pride, do your duties, know your rights.
You do this work.
No, you do this work.
It's not my part of the job. You do this work.
You should do this work.
Stop it. Why are you both fighting? Everyone is watching you.
But it is his work. It is her work.
Okay, listen to me. Both of you do this work together. If we do the work together, it can be finished soon. If we are united, we can do any work, no matter how much difficult it is. Fighting is not the solution for everything. It is in our fundamental rights to work with unity and dignity. Unity is our strength, and we become a stronger nation when we all come together and work as one.
I will help you with the work.
Thank you. I will never fight and always help another person with their work.
Future pride, do your duties, know your rights. Future pride, do your duties, know your rights.
It is our fundamental duties to follow and cherish the noble idols which inspire the national struggle for freedom, to abide and protect the sovereignty, unity and harmony in should follow the noble ideals that inspire the national struggle for freedom.
Uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Defend the country and remain national service when called upon to do so. Promote harmony and the spirit of brotherhood amongst all and practice dignity of women. Value and preserve the rich heritage of the country's composite culture. Protect the natural environment like forests, lakes, river, wildlife and to have compassion for living creatures. Take up scientific temper, humanism and the spirit of inquiry and reform. Safeguard public property and to practice non-violence.
Strive towards excellence in all spheres of the individual so that the nation constantly rises to higher levels of achievement.